It's your time. What are you doing with it? Are you impacting lives? Are you doing what you love? Do you feel fulfilled? At the end of the day, you're either building your dream or you're working for someone else building theirs. If you're ready to be in charge of your own financial future, it's time to introduce you to a remarkable company called ASEA. You can own your own thriving business, backed by a rapidly growing international direct sales company. A company bringing science-based products to market that are truly one of a kind. Profitable from year one, ASEA has a seasoned executive team that runs a financially stable operation.
One of the most exciting things about being associated with ASEA is the rapid expansion. We operate in over 25 international markets, and really by virtue of being an ASEA associate, you're in business everywhere we're in business. It really allows an individual to be in business for themselves, but not by themselves, because we as a company are with them every step of the way.
At ASEA, we give our associates the opportunity to make a living by making a difference with one of the most generous compensation plans in the entire industry, one that offers associates at any stage of their business the ability to realize their financial goals and dreams.
The thing that I've seen more than anything else that I really didn't expect is how ASEA changes lives financially, as well as through the product, as well as through personal development. There's dignity in making $200 extra a month to help a son go to school or have a rent paid. There's dignity in the financial outcomes of ASEA. And when you intersect the product impact along with the personal development with financial impacts, you start to see the opportunity in its truest form.
If you were going to market a product, what would be important to you? Would you look for a product that was cutting edge, impactful, in demand? How about consumable, so your customers would keep coming back for more? Would you look for a product that was backed by science and patent-based? ASEA's products are all of those things. They're based on redox signaling, a fundamental part of cellular communication that has been the subject of more than 10,000 peer-reviewed scientific papers and has had multiple Nobel Prizes awarded due to discoveries related to it. Redox signaling molecules are vital to life. They help every system of the body to function optimally. ASEA has developed a patent-based technology that creates and stabilizes these molecules outside of the body for the first time. ASEA's products utilize this groundbreaking technology and are certified by Bioagilytics, an independent third-party lab to contain active redox signaling molecules.
ASEA owns and operates its own manufacturing facility. This way we can guarantee the quality time and time again. This facility is actually registered with the FDA and is also certified by the NSF. So these certifications took a lot of time and effort, and they're there to make sure that we can show to outside sources, including our consumers and our distributors, the high quality and time and effort we put into making these products in the same wonderful way every single time. ASEA's products are one of a kind, unique. There's nothing else like it in the world. These patents that we have on them maintain that we'll always be the ones producing these products and no one else can.
From the beginning, ASEA has always had a very unique product. Equal to our product is our compensation plan. And the reality is that people have the ability to make a tremendous income while building an ASEA business. Whether it's from retail sales to customers, or bonuses, commissions, check match, and beyond, what many people are finding is that our compensation plan really is equal to the power of our product.
You won't have to figure out this business all by yourself. You're going to start with being in business with your local team, leaders and other professionals around you that can help you. You're going to have tools with a back office, a replicated website, a welcome kit, other tools to help you share the message and help you to build your business as you begin your journey here at ASEA.
I absolutely love network marketing. The reason I love network marketing is because it meets you wherever you are today and will take you wherever you want to go. I love the fact that you can earn leveraged and residual income no matter what you do. That income continues to come every week, every month. You can create a legacy for yourself in this industry simply by sharing something that is of great value to you, to other people that you care about. You can truly make a difference for other people. If you can help lots of other people be successful, you will be successful as well. There is no limit to what you can earn in this industry. People are earning incomes that they'd only dreamed of. ASEA even has a $1 Million Earners Club.
You know, one of the elements that is key for us here at ASEA is what we refer to as our Peak Performance Program. And what this is a series of events and incentive trips that recognize our field associates for the success that they have. One of the greatest aspects of the Peak Performance Program is that it gives us the opportunity to really get to know, on a personal level, our field associates, which is incredibly important to us as a company. And there's nothing funner or more exciting to be able to go to an exotic location with people that you consider, really first and foremost, dear friends that you formed relationships with over the years and have incredible life-changing experiences.
The topic I love to speak about most inside this company is without a doubt the ethos, the spirit of our culture and of our whole company. If culture is this circle, ethos is the very center of culture. It's the most defining, most distinguishing, and most differentiating spiritual elements of a company. If a company's a body, then it should have a spirit, and its spirit should be defined at its core by its ethos. I feel like we live in a corporate world where everyone talks about results, but not how we get the results. The ASEA ethos really teaches us how we get the results is actually as important as the results themselves. How we interact with people, how we think about and treat others, and really how we try to impact the world. That's the ASEA ethos. It's the beliefs that really help to drive the results. When companies' core values start to actually take shape in people's behavior, in their beliefs, in their characteristics, when people actually start acting in a way that's in alignment with these values that are stated, that's when the ethos comes to life. And that's when impact and difference starts to happen all around the world.
One of the most significant things that we've done as a company is create a charitable organization known as the Advancing Life Foundation. The Advancing Life Foundation was created specifically for the purpose of giving back to the people and to the communities that we operate in. And it gives not only us as a company, but us as individuals a tremendous opportunity to serve others, which is really what this company is all about.
As the company got more and more successful and continues to grow, we felt like it was important for us to create this foundation for not only us as a corporation, but our associates and those who are involved with us to be able to give back to the communities that they live in and to help others improve their lives. That's the reason we developed this foundation.
Early on, the tagline for our product was Advancing Life. And when we named the foundation, it was about how do we help advance life in the world. The ASEA Advancing Life Foundation is really all about partnering with like-minded charities and then finding communities that are in need and bringing funding and service, our own hands to the table to try to make a difference in the world, to break cycles that limit people from reaching their full potential.
Timing is everything. ASEA is poised at a post-risk, pre-momentum stage of growth with risks taken and science proven. With ASEA, you really do have control, whether you're a professional looking to opt out of the daily 9-to-5 grind, a stay-at-home mom looking to boost your budget, or an entrepreneur with a desire to build a substantial full-time residual income. There's nothing else out there like ASEA. ASEA is for anyone looking for well-being, who wants to stay active and look youthful. And that's pretty much everyone. It's your time. What are you going to do with it?
I marvel at the opportunity that is ours here at ASEA. While we are certainly proud of our past, we're actually more excited about our future as to where we're going as a company, for the lives that we'll be able to impact and for the good that we'll be able to do around the world.
Can you imagine a world where people who genuinely want to do good and be good come together with a whole new set of technologies that are making a difference in the world? And then setting out on a mission to take that opportunity, that culture, and that product set out to the world. For me, that's what ASEA is all about. That's who we are, and that's where we're going.